Here's how to use Walmart Pay. The first thing you want to do is download and install the Walmart Pay app on your device. Once you have installed it, go ahead and open it. Now log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one. After creating your account and logging in, tap on the account option. From here, you want to select the option of wallet. Tap on that. Now add your preferred payment method such as credit card, debit card, or Walmart card and follow the prompts to complete the setup. After your payment method has been added, you're ready to use Walmart Pay. When you're shopping in Walmart store, scan your items at the self-checkout as you normally would. Once you have finished scanning your items, tap on the green Pay button at the self-checkout screen. When the payment option appears, you want to choose QR code payment method. Next, open Walmart app on your phone and tap on Services. Then tap on Walmart Pay. Now use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the self-checkout screen. The app will automatically process the payment using your saved payment method. After the payment is complete, you will see a confirmation screen in the Walmart app. You can also view your digital receipt directly from the app. And that's it. In this way, you can use Walmart Pay. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.